Hey y'all, it's Linnell. So today is turnover day, which means everyone gets off the ship and a new batch of cruisers comes on. I am on Carnival Liberty out of New Orleans, and I'm doing back to back to back. Just finished the first leg and getting ready to do the second leg. So it is 7:51. They stopped serving breakfast in the dining room at 8 a.m. But half the people that already got off the ship. I didn't mean to leave this late, but maybe I did. We can't do anything till 8:45, so what's gonna happen at 8:45 is I have to go to the other dining room. So I'm in the Silver Olympian dining room for breakfast. Then I have to go to the Golden something dining room by 8:45 to meet up with the rest of the back-to-back cruisers, and then they're gonna take us through the immigration process. So in this video, it will show you exactly what the process is to do back-to-back cruise with Carnival. Hey y'all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Linnell. I'm a retired solo traveler in search of paradise on a budget. I grew up in poverty and decided not to stay there. If you think you don't have enough money to live in paradise, this channel is for you. Subscribe for a better way of life and a pathway from poverty to paradise. All right, so I have my handy dandy backpack. Probably shouldn't have showed that with my name on it. My handy dandy backpack. I am bringing my my portable stool with me in case there is a wait where we got to stand around in the hallways. On one back-to-back cruise that I was on, I think it was Allure of the Seas, we had a lot of standing around. All the others, I really hadn't had any standing around, but I still bring this just in case because first world problems, old lady problems, all that good stuff. All right, this is my cabin, and I usually try and film it to make sure that they don't try to charge me for something I shouldn't get charged for. This luggage I am leaving for them to take to the other stateroom. I have my tag on here with the new cabin number. Usually bring my meds with me, but now that I have this handy dandy lock, I already took my meds and that can stay with that luggage. Bringing my purse, which has my passport in it, and my sweater, because I always hold that and I don't have room for it in the suitcase. All right, let's go.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I meant to ask her, I thought about it later, how many dollars does each place put us
It's the restaurant right here.
Let's go around. You're trying to get off the ship?
No, we tried to find the other people we need.
Oh. Sweet guests, diamond guests. Looking for my sign. Back-to-back cruisers? Yes. Me too. That's what I'm looking for, a sign. I don't see no sign.
If I could find somebody to
Yeah, and there's food up here. Let's ask the people. Hello. Are y'all back-to-backers? All right, I'm in the right spot.
Ma'am, I just need your initial cabin where you are now.
6205.
6205. But two places.
Okay.
I apologize. Our son just got transferred to Qatar, and she's in Qatar. So
Here. 72?
No, 6205 is
Very nice going. So the guy's about 105 today, 105 or something like that.
Sandra and Sylvester.
Right,
So let me put you off.
Yeah, low.
Okay, we gotta move one room down.
We were 98% humidity this morning.
That's
Let me see your booking here now. Tell
Like the
them
hurricane.
which cabin.
Hurricane came through.
6207.
We will log in the system and make sure that you're receiving all your amenities for the back-to-back. Sorry about that.
I even came down yesterday.
You have a booking. You're here, Sandra.
Mm-hmm.
We need to take our picture together.
Yes, please. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, cool day, 106 is low. Uh-huh.
it's 106 in Qatar.
Are y'all gonna have the same pedestal?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wanna try
And next
something?
week we don't have to move rooms. So that's
Oh,
good.
good, good, good.
Couple, right? 8250, right, ma'am?
Still in
Yeah, now.
Higo, no?
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
There we go. I'm gonna do all the
I'm trying to figure out the name. Like I said, they didn't have a free back.
Jersey.
Make it over the hump.
And they have a chair right here. Well, look who it is. Hey! Hey!
How are you?
Good, good. Why y'all still on the ship?
We're trying to get off. Trying to get off, child?
No,
So are you getting off?
No, I'm back to back, but they waiting on y'all to get off so we can get back on.
People getting on. There's people getting on over there.
I think they put them in a waiting area, but they have to wait for everybody else to get off. Oh, I don't work
Go
here.
straight. Okay, all right.
All right, y'all take care.
Okay, you too.
Bye. All right. Hey. Well, I'm glad I brought my blue chair, but thankfully these two chairs where security use are available, so I didn't have to use my blue chair. But got some more folks.
Straight ahead, guys. Yes. How did you enjoy your cruise?
I loved it. Yep, I'm glad I booked back to back to back.
Yes. So where are y'all going this time?
We're going to Key West first, and then we're going to Freeport, Bahamas, and Nassau.
Yes.
Yep.
Morning, guys. Straight ahead. That's what I like about that, because you're not going to the same spots.
Yes.
But this one, because you just got off of Belize one, right?
Yep, exactly. Yep.
Get over here inside.
Hey.
Has she come down yet?
Where's our
Back to
lady?
back?
No.
I don't
Not
think
yet.
she made it down,
No.
so I'll park right here and wait. You probably do better sitting, honey.
Oh, okay. I thought she told y'all to go down
She
here.
hasn't gotten down yet.
Okay. She coming this way?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, that's the
some are
crew.
still trying to get on that. Well, they let her down. Trying to get on that.
I need to remove these glasses.
If they give you a blue the first time, just
Take it off then. Do it again. Where am I looking at?
You have your passport?
Yeah, my backpack. Oh no, it's in my purse. Yeah.
You recording?
Yes. Is that okay?
Three big ones. Right there.
So this is the longest and most complicated back-to-back process I have done so far on a cruise.
Go and explore New Orleans. I don't know. You can go now. As long as you have your transit card.
No. Trying to get to the game. We got 2 more hours. I ain't getting off this shit. It's not the worst? What's the worst?
Back to back, y'all about to move. Pay attention, please. Back to back.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Like we're not going anywhere.
Right?
Back to back. Coming this way. Back to back. Back to back. In the wheelchair. Come this way. You're in the wheelchair.
Oh, not wheelchair this way?
Back. You have to come this way. What about the wheelchair? I'm taking them all this way.
Oh my God, that was confusing.
I'll see my wife sometime today. Wow.
My Lord.
No, it's not all your back to backs. It's not like they've never done this before.
I know, right? We gotta go through security again? No. Oh no, I don't think so. Oh, good. Here comes our new friends, our new cruise buddies. Hey. Hey. Our new cruise buddies are coming.
Where's the light? I'm going to get you on there. That's the part. Don't worry about
Oh God. Yeah, this is a long process. And we're back. The bars aren't open?
9 to 11.
Not till 11?
Everything is closed. You can't do anything.
Oh.
The best you can do is go find a good table at the buffet.
I thought it was open as soon as we get on.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna go find a seat at the sports bar. Because first cruise, it was too crowded and I didn't get a seat to see the game. We had to sit in the casino.
It used to be nicer. They used to, when we got on, they have drinks waiting for us. They took our picture. But now they decided we need to go do stuff by ourselves. And next week will probably be a whole different thing. There'll still be a screw up, but it'll be a different screw up.
Oh, you've done it here in New Orleans multiple times? Oh.
Yeah. Last month I did it 3 times. I don't know. This is my.
Oh, you got on this shit.
I've been on the show
Right?
15 times since May.
Wow.
Please.
Yeah, you might as well move in.
Yeah, and that's why every time.
Don't even go home no more. Just move in.
I think my nurse can take it.
All All right, y'all, that's it. That's the back-to-back process. I think she just have to scan him. You don't have to scan me, right? No.
I'm like, don't leave me here.
So we're trying to see, do we have to do muster station again? Let's find out. Someone said we do have to do muster, and someone else said we don't have to do muster. One person told us we have to do muster again, and another one said we don't.
Well, I don't care. I worry about muster. They don't open till 11, right?
Right, muster's about
Oh, that's something new. So do we do or do we don't? Because once I get set up watching this game, he was supposed to be telling us. Why is he walking away? Miss, do back-to-back have to do muster again? Yes. We do have to do it? Okay, thank you. Yes. All right, so muster again. I have D. Did you find out? Do we have to do muster or no?
Yeah.
We do? Oh.
11 o'clock? 1 o'clock? Yeah. When must I start again? When we start again?
All right, I'm going to 5.
And I'll go right down the middle. All right.
I guess I'm waiting for the next one. Or can I squeeze in too? Nah, I wait for the next one. Well, I got this backpack on.
No, you're good.
Oh, about this backpack. Did we hit 5 yet?
5.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, 5.
All right.
And both of you guys are getting out at 4.
All right.
That's good. We'll work it out.
We'll work it out.
Y'all, I'm so glad nobody don't have no body odor right now.
Early in the
Good
morning.
job, people. So I did get a couple cards last night. Well, really this morning, because they didn't send it to my stateroom. They kept saying that they sent it to me, but I had to go down there and ask them for the consecutive letter. They call it back-to-back letter. Used to call it consecutive cruise letter on the other ship. Anyway, I went to the guest services. They said, "Oh, we gave it to your stateroom person, and they should deliver it." They didn't deliver it till the next morning. So I called down there probably around midnight or so. Anyway, when I got this morning, the letter was there in my inbox outside my stateroom, and it had these 2 cards in it. So one is for a free photo, and one is for a free drink. And I thought that was very nice, very sweet. I never got that on my previous back-to-back cruises, so yay. And then when I got to the sports bar, my new cruise buddies, Sandra and Buddy, gave me their cards because they said that they don't need them because they get free drinks on us all over the ship. And I only get it, as y'all know, from my $60 bottle of water story. I only get free drinks when I am in the casino. So they gave me their cards. So I ended up with 3 cards. And then later I saw the room cabin steward, and he gave me the letter that I was supposed to get from him the night before. He said he didn't get it until well, I guess they put it in his bin or his box or his office. He said he saw it the next morning. So he brought that to me. So I ended up with 4 free drink cards. And 2 free pictures. And y'all look, they brought me some fruit. I'm not really sure what that's for. Let me see what this says. Is this why they brought me fruit? Dear Miss Linnell, on behalf of the entire Carnival family, welcome aboard. We are delighted to have you sailing with us as a back-to-back guest. We hope you'll make yourselves at home. Enjoy our goodies and get ready for all the fun activities and entertainment we have planned for you. Okay, so back-to-back cruisers get a bottle of wine. Y'all, I don't drink. Not like that. If I open this thing, I'll probably drink 3 sips, and that would be it. This fruit, though, this is going to be perfect for me in the evenings when I get hungry.